In addition to the use cases and potential of Cardano, many other factors have contributed to the skyrocketing of the Cardano price last year. However, according to Bitboy Crypto, the current prices are nothing compared to what will happen at the end of this year. Did you know that crypto enthusiast and YouTuber Bitboy Crypto revealed a secret concerning Cardano that could impact its price positively? Stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. Cryptocurrency has been at the forefront of everyone's attention more and more lately. Investors with access to large sums of money invest their funds in various crypto projects because they can generate income, such as the Cardano project. Cardano's cryptocurrency was recently the subject of discussion by Bitboy Crypto, one of the world's most respected crypto analysts. Could this mean that Cardano will rise in value? And what is this discussion all about? Meanwhile, IOHK CEO Charles Hoskinson has shared his insight on why he thinks Cardano 2.0 will surpass Ethereum. Ben Armstrong, who is also known as Bitboy Crypto, stated in an interview with Hoskinson that Cardano has a more straightforward and reliable design than Ethereum. Additionally, he doubts that the increased complexity will lead to an increase in throughput, better scalability, and better security for the Ethereum network. With the deadline approaching for go-go-in and deployment, the weeks and months ahead will determine whether Cardano can gain an edge over Ethereum in terms of smart contract functionality. With the results of the recent reporting, ADA has broken through the barrier of 50 cents while reaching an all-time high. Over time, there has been much discussion about this so-called Ethereum killer. Nevertheless, developments in Cardano are rapidly gaining traction at the start of 2021. In the second week of December, the go-go-in and Mary test network was successfully deployed, meaning that it will soon be possible to use Cardano's tokens within the Cardano ecosystem. Furthermore, the ledger would become a multi-asset ledger, which would open a world of possibilities, including cross-border payments. In other words, native tokens allow users to make transactions directly on the blockchain, just like ADA. In addition to Ethereum, the majority of other blockchains function using smart contracts as a base layer. In this instance, Hoskinson said that the differences in design had forced Ethereum to take a back seat. Moreover, Ethereum is also fragile due to the differences in design. Besides this, I think Vitalik is a bit riskier from a research and engineering perspective, which is why it was extremely difficult for them to get Ethereum. In other words, they bring themselves into a position that relies on optimistic convolutions, segmentation technology, and other techniques which are very fragile. In addition, it is said that science itself is not very stable. According to his analysis, Ethereum's integrated approach is accompanied by several compromises, such as its inability to withstand node failures and its vulnerability to new exploits. As it stands, they're moving away from Byzantine fault tolerance to 1/3, and there are accessibility problems which potentially invite all sorts of new attacks. During a time when Ethereum security is once again in the spotlight, Hoskinson's comments are timely. Then, after the sudden collapse of the cryptocurrency market on the 2nd and 4th of December, Cardano's price fell by 32%, but recovered to trade above the support level of $1.19. Meanwhile, following encouraging signs of recovery, the situation for ADA began to deteriorate when Bitcoin's price fell below $50,000. Nevertheless, the market volatility in the second week of December, therefore, has led to the depreciation of Cardano's market capitalization by more than $3 billion in the last 24 hours. As a result, Cardano's market capitalization plummeted from $48.85 billion to $45.53 billion in less than a day as the price of ADA dropped, resulting in a total outflow of $3.32 trillion from the market capitalization. Furthermore, on the second week of December, the price of Cardano is trading at $1.24, a decrease of 3.6% in the day and a decline of 19.6% over the prior 7 days, according to CoinGecko.com. Meanwhile, Cardano has reached 1 million holders. Cardano, however, continues to gain traction in the blockchain community as it reaches the million-owner mark for the first time. With the introduction of smart contracts, the blockchain network grew in size as developers were finally allowed to launch dApps on the blockchain, and projects launched on the blockchain proved incredibly popular due to a high level of interest. Furthermore, the creation of decentralized Cardano exchange, DEX on the Cardano blockchain, was a major factor in the rapid growth of network activity. In addition to this, Ethereum users are increasingly moving away from its blockchain because of its high transaction rates, which could explain why Cardano is gaining an increasing amount of users. While that may be true, ADA is is no longer the only Ethereum killer in the space, as Solana outperforms it on the market capitalization scale. As he noted in his tweet on December 5th, Crypto Cobain emphasized the potential of cryptocurrency. In February 2021, the price of Solana was $5 and that of Cardano was $1.30. Further, Solana currently costs $202 and Cardano costs $1.43 just 10 months later. However, the crypto community is placing a lot of faith in Cardano. As predicted by the crypto community CoinMarketCap, Cardano's price will be $2.40 by the end of December. Moreover, according to forecasts of the social Cardano crypto community, ADA will be valued at an average of $2.40 on December 31st, 2021, $1.05 higher than the current ADA rate of $1.35. Then there are almost 2 weeks before Christmas, and Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson is already feeling the festive spirit. And it was the founder's turn to make a surprise AMA on YouTube in December, where he answered questions from the community. On this occasion, Hoskinson answered a variety of questions from the community members regarding the Cardano project. So how would the Cardano founder like to spend his Christmas? As part of the AMA, Hoskinson talked briefly about what he would like to get for Christmas, and he did not include the usual detailed list of what people would like for Christmas. As a result, Hoskinson decided to address a very serious issue in the crypto space, namely a gap in understanding that exists among investors of a variety of cryptocurrencies. Meanwhile, one of the most affected projects was Cardano, which has recently been the topic of FUDs. There has been a great deal of hateful commentary on all social networks directed toward the project, particularly since the ADA token began declining 2 months ago. To achieve this goal, Hoskinson believes that everyone in the crypto industry should work together. The founder said, "The one thing I want for Christmas is for everyone to start getting along in our industry. It's extraordinary to me that when people are so close in philosophy and viewpoint, and in some cases technology, they can be so far apart as people. It's extraordinary. That has to stop, and the only way it's going to stop is if we get better systems that are more fair. And the only way we do that is we have to work together. So we'll see 2022 whether that's accomplished." Furthermore, Hoskinson turned to the same trading systems that have pitted investors against each other for years. According to him, the crypto industry experiences more intense rivalry since other industries do not see such strife between each other. You don't see this in other industries. You don't see in physics or biology or cell phone manufacturing or whatever. Pick an industry. The amount of tribalism, hate, and vitriol that our industry has for each other. Moreover, Hoskinson explained how the lack of cooperation and kindness harms the crypto community. Furthermore, all participants in the crypto space, according to him, have as their common enemy legacy systems. And if there are so many people effectively pulling in opposite directions on what could be a much more common cause, it can't be effectively opposed to the billions of people those legacy systems negatively impact. It is no secret that Cardano's ADA token has seen a wild year in 2021, reaching all-time highs of more than $3 earlier this fall before plummeting dramatically to its current price of $1.38 at the time of this article. In 2021, the crypto community has charted impressive accomplishments, including creating smart contracts and finding impactful partnerships, including collaborations with governments. Hoskinson's call for peace at Christmas may seem cliché on the surface, but in the case of crypto, he certainly makes a valid point. And every day, new utilities are discovered and a lot of money is being made. Further, as far as developments that might occur in the future, they are so expansive that it's hard to imagine. A collaborative and collegial attitude would certainly go a long way towards easing the process and ensuring future growth and success. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.